Analytic Solver is your powerful ally in corporate finance, elevating Excel's capabilities to handle complex financial challenges like capital allocation, investment optimization, and cash flow forecasting. With features like integer programming and nonlinear optimization, it is an essential upgrade for finance teams looking to drive data-backed strategic decisions without any black box limitations. You will have full control and transparency in Excel, making it easy to analyze, adjust, and implement solutions for real-world financial success. Let's look at one ready-to-use application in capital budgeting. An organization evaluates multiple investment opportunities, each requiring specific funding over several years. Using Solver, they aim to maximize net present value while adhering to budget constraints and allowing for partial investments. This approach enables strategic financial planning by balancing returns with resource limits, ensuring investments are optimized within financial parameters. Solver's flexibility shines as you scale up or add restrictions. Make investments binary, fully fund or skip an opportunity. Solver can seamlessly adapt to more opportunities, constraints, or time periods, showcasing its power to handle complex models. Analytic Solver adapts as your needs evolve, whether you are tackling straightforward financial models or complex scenarios with uncertainty. Its powerful stochastic optimization and robust programming capabilities allow you to manage unpredictable conditions confidently. Plus, with Solver's transparent setup, you can trust in the accuracy and reliability of every result, seeing every step of your model unfold. To gain hands-on experience, join our next optimization webinar and see how Solver enhances financial decision-making. Start using Solver today to unlock its full potential for strategic insights and effective planning.